In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious crispy onion rings recipe. Welcome to Tasty & Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 onion cut into 1/4-inch slices and pulled apart, 2 cups of breadcrumbs, half a cup of flour, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1 cup of cold sparkling water, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. In a bowl, we're going to start by combining the flour, cornstarch, salt, pepper, garlic powder, baking powder, and cayenne, and whisk this together until it's all combined. Now we're going to add the sparkling water and mix until smooth. We're going to coat our onion rings in this batter, and then we're going to coat them in breadcrumbs and place them on a platter. We're going to fry our onion rings in a pan of oil until they're golden brown. Once golden brown, we're going to take them out onto a paper towel lined plate. While our onion rings are warm, we're going to sprinkle them with salt. Our onion rings are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy!